Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum and what can we expect to happen within the next hours and days. And first of all, the Bitcoin and crypto market bears are in big trouble. Why? Because if you have been subscribed to this channel for a longer time, you know that we have been waiting for this breakout for some time, since actually 22nd of March, to break above the $28.8 thousand level for Bitcoin. We had a couple of rejections and now finally we made it, and actually we have been able to stay above this really important $28,800 level. Plus really also important level is because it's psychological level, the 30k level. Okay, $30,000. If you go to the daily time frame here, you can see at about $30,000 we had a couple of daily closes or wicks in this range, and it's like $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. All these round numbers are also a big psychological level. As you can see here, congrats if you also followed my trades. We have been making really good trades in the last couple of weeks. As you can see here, my trades over here on Phemex. If you also want to trade and you use the links in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So we have been making really good money the last couple of months, or depends on how long you've been a subscriber, as you can see here. And let's go to the hourly time frame now for Bitcoin. As you can see here, you're able to stay above this. Let's say we are trading around the $30k price range, and today we are going to get the inflation data from the USA, which could of course lead to some volatility. And as you can see here, what can we expect here? Because the stochastic RSI is actually in the oversold territory, which could mean, what could this mean? That we see the next pump to the upside, guys. So we have to wait until they announce the data, and then we can see how the market will react. Definitely this can lead to some volatility. So let's check out Ethereum. We also had a great trade here, guys. Amazing trade. This descending wedge here broke out to the upside. Then, as you can see here, we reached perfectly the price target, and now we are consolidating down here. And as you can see here, the RSI is going up, which could mean we will see a pump to the upside soon. And right now we're trading around this support zone at about $1,866, and the RSI is making a curve to the upside. So yeah, the next couple of hours could lead to some volatility and big spikes in the price. So be prepared and don't trade with over leveraged positions, yeah, so you don't want to get liquidated. Yes guys, that's what's going on right now. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.